3 budgeting habits nga makaguba sa relasyon. Yes, love wins daw. Pero kung kwarta ang issue, dali ra mahimong gubot. Hi, I'm Daddy Ray, life and wealth advice for husband and proud tatay. And today, let's uncover 3 money habits nga makadaot sa relasyon ug unsaon malikayan. 1. Secret spending. Kung naa kay ginatago nga gasto o utang, murag betrayal gihapon na. Trust gets broken. 2. No shared goals. Kung siya gusto balay, ikaw gusto sakyanan, pero wala may common plan, conflict jud ang ending. 3. Ako, ikaw mindset. Kung separate ra permi inyong kwarta, murag boardmates lang mo, dili partners. Marriage is teamwork and should your budget. Mga tatay, mga nanay, kung dili nimo gusto nga kwarta ang makaguba sa inyong relasyon, start talking, start planning, o start trusting each other with money. This is Daddy Ray reminding you to protect your peace, your plan, and your people. Empowering the future, one family at a time.